Do you worry about the safety and well-being of your elderly loved ones? Simple tasks like getting in and out of bed, moving around, or even opening jars can become risky and challenging as we age. But what if there were products designed to make these everyday activities safer, easier, and more comfortable? Today, we're diving into some game-changing solutions that offer the support and peace of mind you need to ensure your loved one's comfort and independence. Bed rails for elderly adults. This might just be the most important thing you need to know about making life safer and easier for elderly loved ones. Getting in and out of bed can be a real challenge for seniors, especially in the dark. The risk of falls? It's no joke, and it's something we all worry about when it comes to our loved ones. That's where this incredible bed rail for elderly adults with night light and bag comes in. Not only does it provide sturdy support, but it also includes a motion sensor night light to illuminate the path. No more fumbling in the dark. You can adjust the height and fit it to any bed size, twin, queen, or king. Plus, it's super easy to install, no tools are needed. The double crossbar design ensures it's strong and stable, supporting up to 300 pounds. Oh, and the 6 storage pouches? Perfect for keeping remotes, medications, or even a good book within arm's reach. Safety and convenience, all rolled into one thoughtful design. Vive Stand Assist. If you've ever felt stuck trying to get out of a deep couch or recliner, you know how frustrating or even dangerous it can be. The awkward twisting, the unstable balance, it's no fun, and it puts you at risk of falls. That's where the Vive Stand Assist comes in. This mobility aid makes standing up a breeze. With sturdy dual handles, it gives you the stability you need to rise confidently without straining or risking a fall. It's super simple to set up. Just slide it under any cushioned seat, whether it's a recliner, sofa, or chair. It's adjustable, supports up to 300 pounds, and has soft foam handles for a comfy grip. Plus, it blends right in with your furniture. And the best part, Vive offers a lifetime guarantee. That's confidence in their product right there. Easy off jar opener for seniors. We've all been there, gripping, twisting, and even banging jars on the counter, all for one stubborn lid. Whether it's factory locked, vacuum sealed, or just plain stuck, it feels impossible sometimes, especially if you have weak hands, arthritis, or limited grip strength. That's where the Easy Off Jar Opener comes to the rescue. This under-cabinet jar opener is a game changer. It mounts discreetly under your cabinet, saving counter space, and is always ready to help. Just pop the jar in twist and it's open, no sweat. What's even better, it's designed for everyone: kids, seniors, amputees, or anyone dealing with carpal tunnel or arthritis. It's got a durable, non-slip grip, so it handles jars of any size with ease. Plus, installing it is a breeze with the included adhesive or screws. Say goodbye to struggling and hello to effortless access. The Easy Off Jar Opener is the ultimate kitchen gadget you didn't know you needed. Able Life Auto Cane. Have you ever felt unsteady or even worried about falling while getting in or out of your car? Whether it's a stiff back, limited mobility, or just awkward angles, it can be tough, especially without someone to help. Enter the Able Life Auto Cane, your portable, lightweight solution for stability and confidence. This grab bar fits right into your car's U-shaped door latch, giving you a sturdy handle to hold on to. No tools, no hassle, no modifications. It weighs just 0.35 pounds, so you can toss it in your glove box, door compartment, or even your purse. And don't let its size fool you. This heavy-duty tool supports up to 300 pounds. Plus, it's got a comfy non-slip grip that comes in fun colors like blue, lavender, and red. Whether you're recovering from an injury or just need that extra boost, the Auto Cane gives you independence on the go. Toilet safety rails. I bet you didn't know this about bathroom safety. Making it secure and stress-free doesn't have to be complicated. Let's be real. Using the bathroom can become a challenge for seniors or anyone with mobility issues. Struggling to get up or worrying about stability can turn a simple task into a risky one. And we all want our loved ones to feel safe, right? That's where the toilet safety rails step in. These sturdy, adjustable frames fit all kinds of toilets, round, elongated, bidets, you name it. With a 600-pound weight capacity, they're built to handle the pressure and provide peace of mind. But here's the best part. They come with suction cups for extra stability. No wobbling, no tipping, just reliable support when it matters most. Plus, the multi-angle adjustable fixture ensures a snug fit and stops any rolling over. It's like they're custom-made for your bathroom setup. So, if safety and comfort matter to you, these rails are a game changer. Click the link below and see why they're a must-have for your home. Positioning bed pad. Taking care of someone who struggles with mobility can be a challenge. Repositioning them, lifting them, or even helping them sit up can be exhausting, not to mention hard on your back. And let's be honest, using regular bed sheets, they're just not built for the job. That's where the Z positioning bed pad comes in. This US patented pad is designed to make moving, lifting, and turning your loved ones as easy and comfortable as possible. With 8 heavy-duty reinforced handles and breathable waterproof fabric, it's a game changer. Not only is it lightweight and durable, but it's also 100% machine washable. Accidents? No problem, just toss it in the wash and it's ready to go again. Whether you're repositioning someone in bed or turning them over, this pad does the heavy lifting for you. Plus, with a 100% risk-free guarantee, there's no reason not to try it. Caring for loved ones just got easier. Check out the Z positioning bed pad today. Comfier heated knee massager. I bet you didn't know this about relieving knee pain quickly and comfortably. Let's face it, sore knees, stiff joints, and tired muscles can ruin your entire day. Whether it's arthritis, overwork, or just the grind of everyday life, dealing with knee and leg pain is exhausting. But what if I told you there's a way to relax your knees and legs while boosting circulation and soothing your muscles? Meet the Comfier heated knee massager, a total game changer for your knees. This amazing device combines heat therapy and powerful vibration massage. You've got 2 adjustable heat levels for stiff joints and 4 massage motors that hit those sore spots perfectly. Plus, there are 5 massage modes, so you can find what works best for you. The soft velvet fabric feels amazing, and the adjustable straps keep it secure whether you're using it on your knees, thighs, or even arms. It's compact, portable, and an ideal gift for anyone. Electric chair lift. This is what you've been waiting for if you're looking for an easy way to make getting in and out of chairs safer and more comfortable. As we get older, getting up and sitting down can be a challenge. For those with mobility issues or who are prone to falls, it can feel like a daily struggle, especially if you're not getting the support you need from your furniture. Well, the MAI to SIT electric chair lift might be the answer you've been searching for. It's an electric lift chair that's both lightweight and sturdy with a weight capacity of 300 pounds. It's designed to give you the support you need to get in and out of your chair safely. Not only does it feature foldable side wings for easy use, but it's also fully waterproof. Yes, you can even use it in the bathtub, and with a rechargeable battery, no need to worry about constant power sources. Plus, it has 6 suction cups to keep it stable and secure no matter where you are. So, if you're looking for a game changer for comfort and safety, this lift chair could be exactly what you need. Make life easier with the MAI to SIT electric chair lift. Check it out now. Dual bar bed rail for the elderly. This might just be the best advice you've ever heard if you're looking for a way to make getting in and out of bed easier and safer. We all know how tough it can be for elderly adults or those with limited mobility to get in and out of bed. It's one of those simple tasks that can become a real challenge, especially without the right support. That's where the dual bar bed rail comes in. With its ergonomic padded handle and sturdy steel frame, it gives you the stability needed to safely sit or stand. Plus, the adjustable height and length make sure it fits any bed from twins to king-sized. And here's a bonus. It even has a detachable storage pocket. Whether it's your glasses, books, or medicine, you can keep everything you need within arm's reach. And guess what? It's so easy to install, no tools required. You can have it set up in just 2 minutes. If you're looking for extra safety, comfort, and convenience, this bed rail is the solution you've been waiting for. Vive Alternating Air Pressure Pad. If you or a loved one spends a lot of time in bed, you know how difficult it can be to manage skin health. Bed sores, pressure ulcers, and skin irritation can be major issues for anyone who's immobile for extended periods. It's uncomfortable, painful, and can even lead to serious health complications. That's where the Vive alternating air pressure mattress pad comes in. Doctor recommended and specifically designed to provide relief from bed sores, this mattress pad has 130 air cells that alternate inflating and deflating to evenly distribute pressure and improve circulation. This helps reduce pressure spots so your loved one can sleep more comfortably without those painful skin issues. It's whisper quiet, so you won't be disturbed, and the pump is fully customizable to adjust to different pressure levels for maximum comfort. Plus, it supports up to 300 pounds and fits easily on any existing mattress. It's a game changer for anyone needing long-term bed rest or care. YHK inflatable turning device? This might just be the best advice you've ever heard when it comes to helping a loved one with mobility issues. If you're taking care of someone who's bedridden, you know how challenging it can be to assist with turning them in bed or preventing bed sores. It's hard on their body and stressful for you as a caregiver. Enter the YHK inflatable turning device. This game changer is designed to make those tough moments much easier. It's lightweight, waterproof, and features a comfortable polyester cover that's dirt-resistant and easy to clean. But the real magic happens with its inflatable model. Just inflate it with your mouth or a pump and you're ready to go. The turning device even has fixing straps to attach it to bedside rails and handles that make it easy for caregivers to adjust. It's perfect for preventing muscle atrophy, reducing strain, and helping with posture exercises for the elderly or anyone recovering in bed. Plus, when you're done, it folds up for easy storage. If you're looking for a way to make caregiving more manageable, this inflatable turning device is a must-have. With the right tools, we can make a world of difference in the lives of our elderly loved ones. These products are not just about convenience. They're about enhancing safety, promoting independence, and bringing peace of mind to both caregivers and seniors. If you want to ensure your loved ones can enjoy their daily routines with confidence and comfort, check out the links below and discover how these life-changing solutions can make a real impact.